Hey guys, we're back. I just tried to do another video and got so into it I completely forgot to even say anything, so I'm starting again. I'm so good at this, right? I have to be somewhat quiet because I am literally the only person awake in the building, I think. And by building, I mean house. I know there's someone asleep outside my room on the couch, and I know there's someone in the room next to me asleep, so I might not, actually I might be more animated because no one can bother me. I figured out how to turn off a demo. I figured out how to turn off the music at the beginning of the game. Okay, now let's try this. I was doing really good until I realized I wasn't commentating. Like, I had gotten really far. I was like, fuck no, it doesn't matter now. This is the whole point of what I'm doing. I've never experienced this game before, so I'm hit! Get back! I'm so dead. You deserve it. It's
Just kill me now! Just kill me now!
Yeah, I learned how to switch weapons. I'm pretty proud. It's not like it's really all that hard.
We're gonna have to take you out!
Yeah, I can't switch that gun apparently. Like, shoot me all you want. There's a person with I just don't want her to come after me.
Eat this, prick! Ah! Oh my God!
Did that hurt?
God, what are you doing? Stop! People with the rocket launcher really like me. See, I just got ammo in number 3. But I can't switch it. And that's so not okay. Fuck you. Fuck all of you. Get off my property. Why you leave me alone? I don't even know why you're here.
Prick!
I think someone just glitched, so shooting at him. Stop wasting. Fuckers. Sorry, I'm getting really sick of this level. Oh, rocket launcher.
Oh!
Now I actually...
Help! Help! Ah! There he is! Help!
Hey, where'd you get that TV, man?
You in hell!
Not shooting, you sick bastard! I'm already dead!
He's got a gun! I'm having a very bad
This!
Has anyone seen my hair? Run for your life!
At all. Like, literally, she fucked that up for herself. But now I'm fucked because I have nowhere to get health. Except for behind me. She's still... I can get down here and live. I think there's some...
I'm hit! Hey, let's ask him for help!
I don't know what I'm gonna do because I have, like, no health.
That's illegal!
Can I have his weapon?
Hey, where'd you get that TV?
Fuck!
Eat this!
I'm only gonna try this one more time. I'm hit! dog. I'm not gonna help you. He's controlled blow. So hard. It's so hard to deal with. Rocket launcher dude's still out there, isn't he?
I'm hit!
We're gonna have to take you out.
Don't be a sissy.
Just kill me now.
Three rocket launchers.
Kill me now.
Don't be a sissy.
Oh well, I tried. Hope you guys enjoyed. Sorry I didn't commentate a whole lot. This is really difficult.